Gonna go in there, get my lashes done, get a little fill. I look like I'm literally working in a lab. I don't know if I have ADHD or just like really bad reading comprehension. I don't know how you live. I feel like there's two people in this world, and it's the people that brush their teeth. I don't know what's going on with today. Hi guys, I'm headed home from school. I really didn't intend on filming anything until I got home. It's currently 3:50 and I'm pulling up my street right now. I have not been this tired in so long. I don't know what happened last night, but I could not sleep to save my life. I was exhausted. I was so tired. I thought that I was gonna like put my head down and just like immediately pass out, but that isn't what happened at all. I couldn't get comfortable. I was exhausted, but I just couldn't sleep. And then once I fell asleep, I woke up and I had to pee. And then I went pee, I laid back down. I couldn't get comfortable again, couldn't fall asleep. And then when I finally fell asleep, I woke up again and it was like 3 in the morning. I don't know what's going on, but I probably got like 4 good hours of sleep last night, and all I want to do right now is go to bed. But I know if I take a nap, I'm not gonna be able to sleep later, so I'm gonna try to like force myself to stay awake, but I might end up falling asleep. I don't know. Oh my god, I have a lash appointment tonight. I have a lash appointment at 5:30, I think. Oh my god, I totally forgot about that. The first thing that I do every single day when I get home from school, no matter how tired I am, is clean up my room from the night before. And me getting ready this morning, clearly I didn't get ready much because I'm wearing literal pajamas to school. I've definitely got to do my laundry, but I might save that for the weekend because I don't have the energy to do that tonight. I have a leftover Jimmy John's sub in the fridge downstairs and I'm kind of hungry, so I think I'm gonna go eat the second half of that, and then I'm going to try and get my homework done. I ate my sandwich and I am going to do some homework even though I can barely keep my eyes open. It's getting kind of late now and I need to leave for my lash appointment soon, but I'm going to take a really quick body shower first because after I get my lashes done, you're not supposed to get lashes wet for 24 hours. So I want to make sure that I can take a shower and then go get my lashes done so that I don't have to wear science goggles. There's been so many times where I've forgotten to shower like right before my lash appointment. I literally like, come here. This is what I'd be looking like when I forget to shower before I get my lashes done. I look like I'm literally working in a lab. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower now so that I don't have to do that later. Never thought that one day I'd be out of future like we had a clue. I put the same sweatshirt on. I don't want to hear about it. This sweatshirt is so comfy and I just want to wear it, okay? Just let me be. I threw a bunch of dry shampoo in my hair and I have to leave for my appointment. I'm running a little late like usual, so I'm gonna go. My eyelashes are actually so crusty. Look at this. There's not even any right there. I thought my appointment was at 5:30 and that's why I was kind of taking my time, but it's actually at 5:15, so I had to rush. Gonna go in there, get my lashes done, get a little fill. I literally started driving away, but got my lashes done. Don't they look good? Dude, she did that so quick. I was gonna say it's late, but it's literally not late at all. It's literally 5:39. I went in there at like 5:14. Hi guys, I'm in my room. I got home and I actually ate dinner. I don't know why I didn't, like, I'm so bad at vlogging. I just had like a little chicken pot pie thing. I'm still kind of hungry though, so I'll probably go like cut up some like fruit or something. I don't know. It's currently 6:22. You definitely can't see that. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do. I do have some work that I can get done for my podcast. What? If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I have been obsessed with the idea of starting a podcast for at least like 2 years now. I could have created a podcast sooner, but my whole plan was to wait until my 18th birthday because then I'll be graduated and I'll have more time to put into it, because right now juggling just school and YouTube is a challenge. I don't know how I would throw a podcast in the mix. academics. So we're waiting till I graduate, which is in January, and then my birthday's in February. So podcast drops on February 23rd, but right now I don't want to give too much away or show you too much or tell you too much because I want it to be a surprise. Me and my brother are working on a little podcast studio at the moment. There's gonna be a whole video of the transformation when it's done. My brother started painting last night and he's almost done. I think he has like the first coat done. I just thought I could show you the progress. We're leaving this wall tan, and basically the whole podcast setup is gonna be in this little corner right here. I already started shopping for it. I got a few different things at Target yesterday. Basically the last like week of my life has been fully dedicated to getting my podcast like actually confirmed and like able to start recording episodes and stuff for when I do drop it on February 23rd. No amount of words can form how excited I am for it. I already have like 11 whole episodes like pretty much planned out. I'm gonna do a little bit more podcast planning just because I'm excited about it. It's currently 8:03. Thursday, October 20th. Tonight is going like extremely slow for some reason. Like I feel like I never have this much time to just like relax. So since it's only 8, I'm gonna do a little face mask because this pimple literally just popped out of nowhere. I was picking at it, so it makes sense why it just got so red, but I have like, I just need to take care of that. I'm gonna use this face mask. It's the I need to learn how to say the name of this brand because it's like my favorite skincare brand at the moment, but I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like French. Comment down below what your favorite face masks are because I'm always looking for new face masks to try. I don't even know if face masks really do much for your skin, to be honest. I feel like there's some face masks that do actually help your skin, but then some of them I feel like just actually don't do anything. My all-time favorite face mask is this one, the Herbivore Blue Tansy Mask. This will literally save your life, I promise you. It's super expensive, but I've had this for literally like 2 years. Like, yeah, I should probably throw it out, but I'm not throwing it out because it was like $80 or like $60. I'm not really sure. I swear it will completely like clarify your skin in the matter of like 2 weeks. There's like a whole process that you do. You're supposed to start and use it like 5 days a week, 5 days in a row, and then you go to 4 days in a row, and then you go to 3 days in a row, and then you go to 2 days in a row. By the time you get down to like every other day, your skin is supposed to be like changed. And I actually do think it helps. 5 to 10 minutes and then I can wash this off. I'm actually gonna brush my teeth while I wait, and hopefully I don't like get toothpaste all around my mouth and mess the face mask up. I feel like there's two people in this world, and it's the people that brush their teeth like super nice and clean and like they keep their mouth closed the whole time, and like if they were brushing their teeth and they took the toothbrush out, you wouldn't be able to tell that they're brushing their teeth. Does that make sense? Like if I'm brushing my teeth and I like remove the toothbrush and I keep my mouth closed, like you wouldn't know that there's toothpaste in my mouth. There's that type of person, and there's me, who literally just like sits there. I just like let the toothpaste run out of my face. Like there's no point in trying to keep it all contained. I don't know. Is that just me? I feel like sometimes I watch like people brush their teeth and I'm like, damn, I am like probably not doing this right. Like this, or like, do you know what I mean? Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes. I'm gonna do some quick skincare. It's literally 8:22 only. I might try to go to bed early tonight, which is weird because I never go. Oh, there's still face mask on my face. I just caught a glimpse of myself in the mirror and I literally am so pale. I hate winter more than I can describe. What I was gonna say though is I want to try to go to bed early tonight, which is weird because I am never going to bed early ever. But I'm just like really tired and I slept like shit last night, so I feel like maybe it would be good if I went to bed at a decent time. On a normal school night, I usually stay up until around 12. I have the luxury of having senior release my first hour, so I actually get to go in like 45 minutes later than all of my friends have to, or everybody else at my school has to. That's been good for me mentally. But yeah, I go to bed around like 11:30 to midnight. Sometimes I'll stay up like a little later if I'm working on like a video or something, but normally I never go to bed earlier than 11:30, so I'm really gonna try to do that tonight and just see how nice it feels to wake up in the morning and actually have gotten 8 hours of sleep on a school night. I actually don't understand where this pimple came from. There's been a little bump there for a few days, but it just got so red out of nowhere. I feel like this video is so boring, but it's also so realistic because this is normally what my after for school, night routine for school. I don't know. This is normally what my nights look like when I have school the next day. I don't really bother trying to like go do anything because why? Some nights I'll hang out with my boyfriend, but tonight was not one of those nights. And the skincare is done. I feel like I keep using this phrase, but words cannot describe how much I love stainless steel water bottles. After getting my first Hydro Flask, I have never been able to like satisfyingly drink out of a different water bottle. When I drink out of like a plastic water bottle, it just doesn't hit the same, and it's like not as cold, not as refreshing. If you like cold water, I don't know why you don't have a metal water bottle. It doesn't have to be a $40 Hydro Flask. You can get them on Amazon for like $12.99. I just went downstairs and filled this up a little while ago, and that is like a huge tip that I have. I don't know what the tip is for, but if you don't fill up like a cup of water or a water bottle or something like that right before you go to bed, I don't know how you live. I have to have water by my bedside at all times of the night. I chug a bunch of water before I go to bed. Why are my lights flickering? I chug a bunch of water before I go to bed. I don't know if that's like good for you. Probably not. I know you're not supposed to like sleep with your stomach. I don't know the rules. All I know is I chug water right before I go to bed. I wake up in the middle of the night and I chug water, and the first thing that I do in the morning is chug my water. My issue is that when I don't have something to be doing, I kind of like freak out instead of just like enjoying the fact that I don't have anything that I like urgently need to get done right now. Let me lay down, turn my light off at 8:30. Like that is the most amazing thing I've ever heard, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, I think I'm going to go hang out with my brother while he paints my room for a little bit. Maybe work on some more podcast ideas.
Do this.
How has this experience been for you?
Good. I think it's a newfound skill.
I changed my sweatshirt because I figured I've had that pink sweatshirt on for far too long. He's pretty much all done painting that room. I'm so excited to see what it looks like and just like move the furniture and like all my decorations in there. It is now 9:52. Also, I really wish I would have washed my hair because she's just like feeling very dry at the moment and just like not her best. I might read a little bit of my Atomic Habits book. I actually already read this once, but I'm reading it again because sometimes when I read stuff, I'm not a big reader. I've never been a big reader. And sometimes when I read, I feel like it might be like an ADHD thing. I don't want to like diagnose myself with ADHD, but like I definitely think I have some dwindling effects of ADHD. Basically, whenever I read the words, but I'm not comprehending at all what the words are saying. I might read like an entire page and then afterwards be like, oh my god, like what did I even just read? And literally have no idea what I just read, even though I read every single word. I don't know if I have ADHD or just like really bad reading comprehension, but sometimes I don't soak up the full meaning behind the books that I read. Okay, I'm done reading. I'm bored. I got tired. I have no idea what time it is. 10:19. It's still only 10:19. This is crazy. I don't know what's going on with today. Time is moving so slow. Maybe it's just because I am so tired and do need the sleep. I use the app Alarmy to set alarms because it like plays it, and the only way to turn it off is if you go into your phone, like actually unlock your phone and then go into the app and turn it off. You can also set up like different like tasks. There's like math problems you can do, or like trivia problems, or like you have to go take a picture of like a barcode of your face wash in your bathroom or something. So like it can force you to actually get out of bed, but for me, just the action of like unlocking my phone and like having to turn it off prevents me from just like immediately snoozing it and sleeping through my alarms. So I set one for 7:45 on that, and then I also go into my normal alarm app and I set one for 7:50, 7:55, 8, 8:05, and 8:10. Yes, I am this type of person. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna go to bed. I love you guys. I'm sorry if this video is boring, but it's a realistic school night routine, so I hope you enjoyed. Yep, that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.